Hello everybody, my name is Miriam Joe, and today I'm going to be helping you in these videos and sessions with basic math and basic algebra. So let's get started. Today we're going to be learning how to find the slope from two pair of points. So here we have our slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, now we're going to go to the first example. Over here, we have the points 1, 4, and then we have the point 5, 5. So how do we do this? Let's see. Okay, let's get a nice color red. Okay, we're going to do y2 minus y1, which is 5 minus 4 over x2 minus x1, which is 5 minus 1. So that is 5 minus 4 is 1, and then 5 minus 1 is 4. So there you have a slope of 1 over 4. Okay. Now moving on, we're going to move on to the next example, which is a little bit trickier because you might have a slope of 0. And I'll show you how a slope of 0 reflects on a graph. So here we have the points 19, 3, and 23. So we're going to do y2 minus y1, which is 3 minus 3. Over x2 minus x1, which is 20 minus 19. Okay, so that's slope 0 over 1. So a slope of 0 over 1 is just 0. Okay? Alright. Okay, so now let's say we have a slope of 5 over 0. You should know that a slope of 5 over 0 is undefined. Okay, so let's see how a slope of 0 reflects on the graph. As you guys can see over here, a slope of 0 is a horizontal line, and a slope that is undefined is vertical. Okay, remember this, guys, okay? This is going to show up, I promise you, in trigonometry, in your geometry, and your pre-calculus. Just try to remember this stuff. It's pretty simple, so yeah. Okay, now we're going to learn how to find a slope and y-intercept from a linear equation. So here we have the example 1, y equals 4x plus 2. Okay, so as you guys can see, y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. So obviously, the slope is 4, and the y-intercept is 2. So that's how you find a slope and a y-intercept from a linear equation. Now, let's see, how do you write an equation in standard form, a linear equation? I'll show you guys here. So ax plus by equals c is an equation in standard form. So let's say we have example 1, which is y equals 3x minus 2. So let's plus 3x on each side. Oh no, actually we're not going to plus 3x. Yeah, my mistake. Actually you're going to minus 3x on each side. So yeah, that's what I've been doing wrong. And if you're doing something wrong, then your students might want to point it out. Because you don't want to give them wrong information and then they go home and they flunk their homework or their test. So yeah, minus 3x on each side, because you want to isolate the variable. So that would basically be negative 3x plus y equals to negative 2. And this is correct because if you check, Negative 3x corresponds with AX. Y corresponds with BY, but there's obviously an imaginary one in front, but you can just ignore that, you guys. And negative 2 corresponds with C. So there you go. That's exactly how you write an equation in standard form. I hope you guys learned something, and make sure you guys take notes and you can take this home with you and, yeah. So thank you, and we'll see you next time.